Right now, thousands of people are sitting in their rooms earning more money online than many full-time corporate jobs. And what's fascinating is, they started with almost nothing. 2026 isn't just another year. It's the turning point where AI, automation, and digital commerce are reshaping who gets rich and who gets left behind. If you've been thinking about starting an online business but don't know where to begin, stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which online businesses will actually work in 2026, even if you're a complete beginner with no money, no audience, and no experience. Number 1. The Big Shift. Why 2026 is the year of digital independence. Let's begin with the biggest reason why 2026 is different. We're entering a phase where the online economy is not just growing, it's decentralizing. Remote work, AI automation, and digital platforms are giving individuals more leverage than ever before. According to recent reports by Forbes and the World Economic Forum, more than 60% of small businesses by 2026 will have a digital-first model. That means you don't need an office, a degree, or a team to start something profitable. What you need is clarity, strategy, and consistency. But remember this, most beginners fail because they jump into trending ideas without understanding business foundations, audience demand, scalability, and monetization. So let's uncover the 7 best online businesses for beginners in 2026 that actually have long-term potential, not just temporary hype. Number 2, digital info products, courses, ebooks, templates. Creating and selling digital products will continue to dominate 2026. People are hungry for knowledge. AI tools have made creation easier, but expertise still sells. You can build a course, sell templates, or write guides about skills you already know. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy Digital, or Teachable allow you to sell globally with zero inventory. The best part? You build it once, and it earns forever. The secret to success here isn't perfection, it's solving a real problem. Whether it's a freelancer starter kit, a budget planner, or a beginner's AI course, people buy simplicity. And thanks to AI content tools, you can now design, write, and market faster than ever before. Digital info products are pure leverage. You invest time once and get paid repeatedly. Number 3. YouTube automation and faceless channels. If you think YouTube is saturated, think again. YouTube automation, running a faceless channel using voiceovers, stock clips, and editing teams, is now a billion-dollar niche. You don't have to show your face or even record your voice. In 2026, AI voiceovers sound indistinguishable from humans, and video editors can be hired on Fiverr as low as $10. The key is choosing evergreen, monetizable niches: finance, travel, tech, health, or luxury. Build one channel, grow it, and then replicate the system. Monetization isn't just from ads. You can earn from sponsorships, affiliate links, and digital products. The formula is simple: high retention, consistent uploads, and emotionally connecting scripts. If you master this, you're not just building a YouTube channel, you're building a digital asset that pays you monthly. Number 4, AI-powered freelancing. Your skills plus tools equals income. Freelancing in 2026 doesn't mean working 10 hours a day. Smart freelancers use AI as their coworker. For instance, a copywriter who uses ChatGPT for drafts or a designer using Midjourney for concept art can deliver in half the time and double their clients. Whether it's video editing, marketing, or coding, AI tools are enhancing human creativity, not replacing it. Sites like Upwork and Fiverr are still booming, but now clients expect speed, precision, and AI literacy. So learn how to use tools that make your workflow faster. Niche yourself. Become the AI marketing specialist or AI video script editor. Businesses are paying top dollar for experts who understand both creativity and automation. The best part? You can start with zero investment, just your laptop and discipline. Number 5. E-commerce without inventory, dropshipping and print on demand. E-commerce continues to evolve. The classic dropshipping model still works, but only if done smartly. In 2026, personalization and niche branding matter more than random trending products. Print on demand, selling custom t-shirts, mugs, or home decor with your own designs remains one of the most beginner-friendly models. You don't handle inventory, suppliers print and ship automatically. What separates successful sellers is storytelling. You're not just selling products, you're selling identity, like minimalist lifestyle apparel or pet lover collections. Platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and Redbubble make setup easy. Combine them with TikTok, organic marketing, or AI ads to drive massive traffic. Focus on building a small, loyal audience rather than chasing quick wins. E-commerce rewards patience, branding, and authenticity. Number 6. Affiliate Marketing 2.0 with AI personalization. Affiliate marketing isn't dead, it's just evolved. Instead of spamming links, creators now use personalized recommendations powered by AI chatbots and email funnels. You can promote tools, courses, or software you trust. For beginners, start with free content. Create short TikToks or YouTube shorts recommending tools, then link your affiliate pages. AI tools like ManyChat or ConvertKit can automate your entire sales process. Focus on building trust, not just clicks. The average affiliate marketer makes between $2,000 and $10,000 monthly once they scale. It's slow at first, but once your funnel works, it's a money machine that runs 24/7, even while you sleep. The trick? Promote value before you promote links. People buy from people they trust, not random strangers. Number 7. Niche subscription communities, paid groups, or discords. If you have a skill or passion, turn it into a community. Paid Discord or Telegram groups, Patreon memberships, or newsletters with exclusive content are exploding. People no longer want random information, they want curated guidance. Think of it like Netflix for your niche. You can charge $10 to $50 per month for exclusive insights, Q&A sessions, templates, or networking. Platforms like Circle, Discord, and Patreon make setup easy. Beginners can start free, grow an audience, then add tiers later. In 2026, authenticity is currency. Build relationships before revenue. A strong community can easily replace a full-time income if you provide real value and connection. Number 8. AI tool reselling and automation services. Another hot business offering AI automation as a service. Businesses are desperate for efficiency but don't know how to use AI tools effectively. You can set up automation workflows using Zapier, Make.com, or ChatGPT API and charge monthly retainers. Think of it as digital plumbing, connecting software to save companies time. Even if you're not a coder, drag and drop automation makes it beginner-friendly. Offered to automate lead generation, email follow-ups, or customer service. You'll be surprised how much small businesses are willing to pay. This niche is exploding, and early adopters in 2026 will win big. Number 9. Content licensing and UGC. Brands are tired of traditional ads. They want authentic creators. UGC creators are people who make short videos or photos promoting products, and brands license that content. You don't need followers, you just need creativity. Platforms like Trend.io, Billo, and Incense connect you to brands looking for fresh content. A single 30-second product video can earn you $100 to $500. Multiply that by 10 clients a month, and you're running a legit business. For beginners who love creativity but don't want to be influencers, this is gold. UGC is where skill meets demand. It's one of the simplest ways to start making money online in 2026 with no audience and no experience. Number 10. Building AI-assisted SaaS or tools for specific niches. For those who want to go big, building or white labeling a SaaS product with AI integration is the future. No, you don't need to be a developer. Many platforms allow drag-and-drop app creation. Think about problems businesses face daily: content creation, lead tracking, scheduling, and build simple AI-powered tools for them. You can either charge monthly or sell lifetime deals. The SaaS economy is expected to cross $1 trillion by 2030, and 2026 will be a defining year for micro tools solving specific problems. Even a small AI tool with 200 paying users at $20 a month gives you $4,000 a month passive income. The real gold mine? Automation plus subscription equals scalable wealth. 2026 isn't about luck, it's about leverage. The people who will win are those who stop consuming and start creating. The online world rewards consistency, not perfection. Whether you start small with digital products or go big with automation and AI tools, your future wealth depends on one decision: to begin. Because waiting for the perfect idea means you'll still be watching others succeed next year while you're still planning.
So take the leap. Pick one business and start today. Your 2026 self will thank you. If you found this video valuable, hit subscribe, drop a comment with your favorite business idea, and let's grow your online income together, one smart move at a time.